Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I go by the name Asha Diamond, your most influential life pilot of this generation. So today, I bring to you guys a house tour. Yes, today I'll be telling you guys everything about this house. It's a 5-bedroom luxurious duplex. Yes, and you don't want to miss all the interiors and the content that it has. So this house comes with a 5-bedroom. It also comes with a boys quarters. It's a 1-story house and it's going for sale. Yes, it's not for rent, it's strictly for sale. Guys, if you're new to this channel, please do want to subscribe, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I bet you're not going to miss anything boring. Everything in here is super beautiful. It's exquisite. It's giving modern. It's giving luxury. So here is the kitchen. Yes, I can't give you guys a low deal. No. I don't do low deals at all. This is the kitchen. It comes with so much storage. It comes with a sink. You have a microwave, a burner, and also you also have an oven, a heat extractor. So the one thing I like about this kitchen is that the interior is just so beautiful. I love the tiles, the paintings, everything, and especially the lighting. Guys, this house has so much lighting. The windows are wide, so you get more light entering into the house. Guys, I wouldn't talk much. Enjoy the video. This is the sitting area. Some people call it sitting room, hall, parlor, however you call it. This is where you sit to relax, to watch your movies and all that. So this is also the guest washroom just in the parlor. Guys, did you see the chandeliers? The chandeliers are so beautiful. The lighting is just everywhere. Just look at the lighting coming into the room. It's so beautiful. I love that the switches are black in color. You know, because the walls are painted in white, the switch is a black colored switch. And moving on, guys, the doors are just so beautiful. The house has nice doors. So on the ground floor, this is the first room. And guys, every of the room has this wardrobe. And the fact that the wardrobe automatically has a mirror, it's what is giving me luxury. There's no need for you to buy any extra mirror. All you need is to dress up and to look into the mirror. This is a full mirror, not any half or quarter mirror. This is a full mirror. This is what you need in your house. Guys, this house is giving luxury. Look at the tiles. It's written on it sweetheart. Like sweetheart. I love the fact that it has this touch up with gold, this gold touches here and there. This jacuzzi. Oh my god. Guys, what else do you want? Which house do you want to still buy aside this particular luxurious house? If you're in this house, just forget about all your problems because automatically you just walk into paradise, bath in paradise, sleep in paradise, and live in paradise, guys. So this is the second bedroom, and it also has this mirror and the wardrobe, but the bathroom is different. Check it out. Moving on to the first floor, guys, the doors of this house are just so beautiful. The view from the first floor is giving. It's giving what it has to give. So let's check out what we have on the first floor. So when you open the door, you get to see this mini sitting area and a mini kitchen which has no burner. It just has the sink and more storage. So if you want to prepare a quick tea, something quick, you can use this kitchen area. Okay, so moving on to the master bedroom. Ah, guys, why haven't you yet called us to purchase this house? The master bedroom has a walk-in closet. A walk-in closet, and the mirror is just everywhere. It covers the entire closet and it serves as a sliding door for the closet. And the lighting in the closet, you guys can see. This walk-in closet, it's just so huge, spacious, and beautiful. Please note the entire bathroom in the house has a water heater. So in case we get to the cold season, you can just switch on the water heater for you to bath a hot water. Yes, and when we're in the hot season, you get to bath the regular water. Every of the bathroom in this house has a water heater. I know you are enjoying the video and you don't want it to end, but note the house has a price. and the price is going now for 450,000 US dollars, and when you convert it into Ghana cedis, it is 5,096,250 Ghana cedis. Every entry into the house has a security door. Yes, so thank you so much for coming along with me on this house tour. So note, this house is located at Tema Com.20. Yes, thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Please do want to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also comment what's your take on this video. Are you buying this house? Of course, I know you'll be buying it. I know you guys wouldn't feel me. Thanks so much. Love you all. Mwah.